Hello students, this is Rajkumar Shivhare, Faculty of Mathematics at Mount Nitraji School, Jhansi. Today we will study about some trigonometric identities. So let's start. First identity is 1 minus cos 2a. 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. What happened in this? The angle in left hand side, the angle is double twice, and in RHS it will be half, that is a. So this is the basic point in this. Now next identity is 1 plus cos 2a, which will equal to 2 cos square a. Next, sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. Again angle is halved. Now sin 2a can be written in other form also. Sin 2a in terms of tan, it will be 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a, and cos 2a in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now these identity based on half angle formula. Now some identities which are based on 1/3 angle, that is sin 3a is equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं एंगल यहाँ पे थ्राइस है और यहाँ पे एंगल 1/3 हो गया. ओके. सिमिलरली cos 3a is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and you will make identity of tan 3a using these two. Divide these two, you will get formula of tan 3a. Now some questions based on these identities. Show that, first question, show that sin 2 theta over 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cot theta. This we have to show. So first of all we will take left hand side, LHS. So LHS is sin 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here we need to just half the angle. ओके, हमें एंगल यहाँ पे हाफ करना है, cot थीटा प्रूव करना है तो एंगल हाफ करना है. So let us see which identity is applicable here. First of all we apply this identity, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Okay, so sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now what we should do with denominator 1 minus cos 2 theta? So this first identity 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a is applicable here. So convert this in terms of 2 sin square theta. Now 2 and 2 will cancel out. Sin theta, 1 sin theta will cancel out, and what left? Cos theta upon sin theta is left, and we know that cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. In this way we get our result equal to RHS, hence proof. Now let us take another example. So another question is, I am taking, now prove that sin theta over 1 plus cos theta is equal to tan theta by 2. So again this question is based on half angle identities. So this time sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2, like this. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 over 2 cos square theta by 2. In this case 2 will cancel out and 1 cos will cancel out, and what we will get? Sin theta upon cos theta by 2, and this will be tan theta by 2, which is equal to right hand side. So with the help of these identities you will be able to solve the exercise. Okay students, thank you very much. Have a nice day.